studying at the Learning School. So ladies and gentlemen, may we all introduce to you our sweet and very beautiful celebrant. Let us all welcome Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, so all of us here, kanta naman natin si Athena ng happy birthday. Okay, music please. Okay, palakpakan naman natin sa front. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and to represent Athena's circle of important people of her life, ito na, i-welcome na natin ang mga taong magbibigay ng mensahe para sa ating celebrant. And of course, these people will be the ones who will give her advices and kind words along the way on how to become a perfect lady. So let us start with the 7 gifts. So our 7 gifts are, we have Amandalay, AJ, sino pa? May cellphone. Sino pa ba yung nakalimutan ako? Sorry. Ako na ate yung ano nga, may ano ka dyan. Sige, music. Ako mag-music. Okay, tinatawagan po natin si AJ. Okay, para magbigay ng message sa ating celebrant. Okay, dalihan na para mag-swimming na tayo.